Hi, good day friends. Thanks for checking in. Today's tutorial will guide you through on how to wrap text in Excel. To begin, open up your MX Excel on your PC. Now here we have a written data in a cell. As you can see, it is very long and extended. And if you click on any of the cell here, you can see that those cells do not contain text. You can still write on them. So to wrap up a text, click on the main cell, then you locate the alignment section, then you click on wrap text, and this will wrap up your text so that it is visible on one cell. You can adjust the width and the length and the height of the cell. So let's try adjusting the width on the cell. Good. So the second way is to click on the cell containing the text. This is the cell containing the text. You click on it, then you right click and select Format Cells. In the windows that pop up, you click on the alignment section, you locate and find Wrap Text. Then you switch the button to on the selection. Then you click OK. Now, Excel has wrapped your text so that it fills into the cell. You can also adjust the text here. So, that's it for the video. Hope this helps. Please like and subscribe for more video tips. Bye friends. Have a great day.